Hey Travel Fam, we're the Tarrys, a family planning to hit the road in a campervan for a full-time adventure across Europe. But before we can turn the key, we've got planning to do, and lots of it. So today we're diving into some juicy campsite research covering Budapest, Zagreb, and a sneaky Slovenian gem or two. Think of this as your ultimate van life prep class, straight from the Tarry Travelschool. Let's go. First up, Camping Arena Budapest. It sounds like it should come with a stadium tour and front row seats to a thermal bath concert. But instead, it's €46.50 a night for a campervan with 2 adults. Oof, that's dinner, dessert and a drink gone. Next is the wild card. It is Camping Fortuna. The prices of the services, gratuitous. Parking cost just says camping. That's either a dream or a trap. We'll find out someday and probably vlog the chaos. So now it's for a mid-range option, Camping Budapest Flamingo. This one is €39 a night. Reasonable, no frills, probably no flamingos either, but who's complaining? Then we do have finally for Budapest, it is Camping Pap Ziget or Zige. I'll let you decide. It's €38 a night and the cheapest of the Budapest bunch. The Pap Zige or Ziget translates to Priest Island, which sounds spiritual, but all we care about is the power, hookup and maybe a clean toilet. Next stop, Zagreb, Croatia's capital, full of history, hills and apparently laundry opportunities. So the first one we'll look at is Camp de Zagreb. Charges are €6 for a wash, so don't forget the detergent. Parking's €45 a night for 2 people. Not cheap, but it might be a good reset stop after a few days off grid. Then the next one is, well, we think this one is a bit more budget friendly. So the Camp Vugek plaque is €30 to €35 a night with services included. The name sounds like a Game of Thrones character, doesn't it? But the price is solid and the vibe looks peaceful. Bonus points if we can find a local market nearby for fresh bread and cheese. Slovenia surprise! Now, we weren't planning on Slovenia yet, but when you find campsites this affordable, you make room on the map. So the first stop, it does show you the prices of the water and the electricity. I'll let you have a read of that one. And the parking is €15 a night. And here's the kicker, the second night is free if you use the services. What a bargain. So then there is another one that I'm going to show you here, and it is the same price breakdown for the water and the electricity, but the parking is 100% free, like van life unicorn level free. So if we can park, power up and fill our water without spending €1 on parking, that's a top tier prep win. So if you're into planning epic family road trips, saving smart and learning how to turn a van into a rolling classroom and cozy home, welcome to the Tarry Travelschool. Hit like, subscribe and drop a comment if you've stayed at any of these spots or know any other campsites we should add to the list. We're documenting it all from planning to packing to pulling out of that driveway. Thanks for being part of the journey before it's even begun. Catch you in the next update, and until then, keep dreaming, keep planning and keep spirit of travel alive. Peace out from the Tarry Travel School.